Hey guys, sorry my webcam isn't working, so you're just gonna have to listen to my voice. Lucky for you guys, you don't have to see my face. Learning target, we are moving on to talking about genocide throughout history and in different parts of the world. So we are going to be focusing mainly today on what defines genocide. We're going to take a short set of notes on genocide, and then you guys are going to be looking at 1 to 2 different groups who faced genocide throughout history and in different parts of the world. Today, you're going to focus on the Armenians. Homework reminders: Partition 321 Jamboard was due the 13th. You can still turn that in for full points. Chinese philosophies is due the 19th, which is today, and the end of the term final will be available on Monday the 25th. That doesn't mean it needs to be finished by the 25th. It's just going to be available in case you would like to take it and get it done early. And it will need to be completed by Thursday the 28th. All right, so we are going to be talking about genocide all week, and this is an extremely hard, emotionally draining topic, but we're covering it because it's important. It's important to know about all aspects of history, even the ugly parts, and it's also important to understand the many ways genocide has been carried out in order to recognize it and prevent it from happening again, because it has happened since the Holocaust and happens in modern day. Here's another kind of disclaimer or announcement. Throughout the week, we're going to be covering 1 to 2 groups per day who face genocide, and you will use the materials, whether that's articles, primary sources, videos, so on and so forth, to complete the note chart that's posted on Google Classroom. We will come back to the Google Meet to discuss what made this a genocide and anything that surprised you, you need to get off your chest, or any questions that you had. Normally, we don't have these closing discussions, but we are this week just because this topic can have a lot of emotional baggage. And the last thing that I want for you guys is to have more baggage right at the end of the term with everything that's going on right now. Like, you don't need that. Um, so even though talking about it won't change the fact that it happened, it can make you feel supported and surrounded by caring people, which will hopefully eliminate that emotional baggage. So you should hopefully leave class feeling relieved instead of just like emotionally traumatized from the topics that we're covering. All right, so what you guys are going to be doing today, I'm going to fast forward a few slides. You're going to go ahead and use the notes video to take notes, and then you're going to watch the 60 minutes video. Don't worry, it's not 60 minutes, it's only 10. And you're going to use the information to fill out your notes. If there's anything that you couldn't quite find in the video, feel free to do a web search. And then we're going to come back to our Google Meets at 10:40 with questions, things that surprised you, and whether or not the Armenians constitutes as a genocide.